Here are the 5 p.m. conditions from around the area. Across North Florida, at Gainesville, partly sunny. The temperature was 81 degrees, humidity 84%, wind west at 5, pressure 30.01 inches and steady. Ocala, partly sunny. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central St. Johns County in northeastern Florida, North Central Putnam County in northeastern Florida, East Central Clay County in northeastern Florida, until 6 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Picolata, or 8 miles southeast of Green Cove Springs, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Picolata. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Clay, Putnam, and St. Johns.
The forecast for cities nationwide.